Friends, welcome to our channel. Today we try to see one of the interesting and exciting project. In day-to-day life, we are seeing the drunk and drive cases, friends. How we can detect the alcohol. So this is one of the interesting project, friends. Now you can see we have created the project here. Here is a queue of a cars, friends. Now we are seeing over here. This green light indicates a normal range, friends. Now for this full project, without skipping the video, if you can see the video, you can get the most valuable information out of this video, friend, such a way that you can do this project on your own, friends. Now let us dive into the project, friends. So for this project, what are the resources that are required, friend? The first, the most important one will be the MQ3. This is the alcohol detection board, friends. You can see it over here. I have taken as a female to male connection, friend. These are the 4 jumper wires I have taken for this one, friends. The second, the most important one will be the Uno R3 board. You can see it over here, friends. This is the Arduino Uno R3 board, friends. The third, the most important one will be the buzzer, friends. You can see from here, I have connected to the male jumper wires, friends. So you can see the buzzer, friends. Now I have taken RGB LED. You can see this is the data board, which is having the red, green, blue and ground, friend. This is single LED will indicate from this one I have taken the male jumper wires, friends, from female to male, friends. So for this one I have taken as an USB A to B. You can see it, USB A, USB B for the power and flashing the code to the Arduino Uno R3 board, friends. Now I have taken a cardboard to mount all these components on this one, friends. For the testing purpose, I have taken the sanitizer. In your case, you can take the realistic alcohol bottles, friends. In my case, I have taken the sanitizer, friends. So these are the required components I have used in this project, friend. These components list it also be given in the description, friends. Now we can see the connection diagram, friends. This is the Uno R3. This is the MQ3, which is the alcohol detector. This is the buzzer and this is the RGB LED dotted board, friends. Now let us complete this diagram, friends. So for this VCC, I am taking for the Uno R3 on my left hand side, the 5 volts on ground and A1 will be there. On my right hand side, pin number 3, 8, 11, 12. These are the pins we are using in this project, friends. Now let us complete it, friends. First, I am taking from VCC. You can see that is 5 volts. From the Uno, I am handovering to the MQ3, friends. So this is the VCC I hand over. Now I am taking from the ground. You can see it over here, friends. The second pin will be the ground, friends. So the VCC ground part is completed. Now let me take, this is the pin number 3, which I am handovering to the digital output, friends, from the MQ3, friends. Okay. Now I am taking from analog and handovering to A1, friends. You can see from A1 I am connecting to the analog output, friends. So this is a connection diagram to MQ3 alcohol detector daughter board, friends. You can see. Now let us complete the buzzer, friends. The buzzer one black is the ground. So I am taking from the ground here. You can see it over here, friends. I am dragging. Okay. And I am dragging and handovering to the, this black is nothing but the ground. And the buzzer one is connected to the 8th pin, friends. The red wire I have connected to the 8th pin of the Uno R3. Now let us complete the LED. So first 11th pin, you can see that I am driving to the red LED. 12th one, I am driving to the green LED, friends. Blue I am not touching. Ground I am extending from there to hand over into the here, friends. So this is a connection diagram. If I am giving the green LED, indicate that it is a normal. If I am giving the red LED, indicate that there is a detection. Alcohol consumption is above the range is detected, friend. That is drunk and drive. In the buzzer, if it is a normal, if doesn't ring, it is a normal. If it is a ringing, then there is alcohol detection. That is a drunk and drive, friends. So this is a connection diagram, friends. Now I have opened the Arduino IDE 2.1.0, friends. Now you can see MQ3 sensor with Arduino included buzzer and LED. The cutoff we have given as a 350 parts per million, friends. Now MQ3 digital pin is 3 and analog one is A1, red LED will be the 11, green LED will be 12, buzzer will be 8 as we discussed in the connection diagram, friends. In the setup, digital MQ3 digital is input, red, green, buzzer is output. We are initializing the serial port with 9600 baud rate, friends. In the loop, we are reading the digital and analog values and printing over the serial. If the analog value is more than 350 and digital is equal to low, then we are indicating the red LED is high, green is low, buzzer is on, friends. Otherwise, red LED will be low, green LED will be high, buzzer will be low, and this loop function will be again and again executed for 500 millisecond, friends. So link of this code we are providing in the description. So this is the one. Let us go sketch, verify and compile, and in the Arduino Uno you can connect and flash in the given port, friends. Now our setup is ready, friends. You can see the green LED is indicating the buzzer is off. It indicates that it is in the normal mode. So now let us take and see it, friends. Now I am taking the sanitizer. Okay, now I am bringing over here, friends. Okay, you can see it.